In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a perfectly cooked whole sweet potato in the air fryer. Crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside, and absolutely irresistible. Here's what you'll need: one sweet potato, olive oil, salt and pepper. For extra flavour, I'm using garlic powder and a touch of chicken stock. You'll also need a cutting board, a knife, gloves, a paper towel, and of course the air fryer. Start by rinsing the sweet potato under running water to remove any dirt. Then pat it dry with a paper towel to prepare it for seasoning. Drizzle olive oil over the sweet potato and use your hands to rub it in evenly across the entire surface. This helps to lock in moisture and creates a beautifully crisp skin during cooking. Place the seasoned sweet potato in the air fryer tray and make sure it sits flat and centered for even cooking. Once it's in the tray, poke a few holes into the sweet potato with a fork. This helps steam escape during cooking and ensures even doneness. Now carefully slide the air fryer tray back into place, ensuring it's secure, and close the lid to begin cooking. Now set your air fryer to roughly 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit and cook the sweet potato for roughly 40 to 45 minutes. Flip it halfway through to ensure even cooking. Keep an eye on it towards the end of the cooking time to avoid overcooking. Now carefully remove the sweet potato from the air fryer using tongs or heat safe gloves. Place it on a plate or chopping board, letting it cool slightly before serving. Now slice the sweet potato open to reveal its soft, fluffy interior. The perfectly cooked texture makes it ready for your favorite toppings or to enjoy as is. Now I like to sprinkle a pinch of salt and pepper, followed by garlic powder and a touch of chicken stock over the sweet potato for extra flavor.